Good morning guys. Today I'm back with another video. Today I will show you how to clean your wheel caps properly so that they look like new. And if you have painted the wheel caps, or if your wheel caps are painted, you should follow some procedure so that the paint doesn't peel off and it looks like new again. So I have removed the caps from my car and now I will wash these caps with the help of a shampoo, or any detergent will also do the work. I will add some car shampoo. It's better to use good quality detergent, otherwise your paint may be affected. कार शैम्पू से भी आपका काम हो जाएगा क्योंकि वो pH न्यूट्रल है, वो ज़्यादा बेहतर रहेगा आपके लिए. So I am using a pH neutral shampoo. Now with this I will create a foam, और इसके साथ आप vim liquid भी add कर सकते हैं because it's a very good degreaser. If it is full of brake dust and those road grime, so that is also a very good degreaser. You can add vim liquid with it to little proportion. You see all the grimes are getting removed gradually. So this particular wheel cap has been cleaned. You see not a single dust or grime is visible anymore. So I will do it to all the other caps. So all the 4 caps have been completed. Now what I will do, after wiping it dry, I will apply some polish. Now I will apply an all-purpose polish so that the paint gets protected. Don't apply normal car polish. You can use a tire polish or you can use a all-purpose polish, because car body polish may have some stain or maybe a whitish layer will come on this. So always use a all-purpose wax polish. Like this I will do it to all the wheels and finally buff it off. Do not apply too much, as it will be difficult for you to buff, because this is not a plain surface. Still the paint is intact after 2 years. There is not a single peel off, except some areas where the paint was not done properly, where there was some paint spray defects. Otherwise the entire wheels are absolutely okay with no paint peel off. You can also paint the whole wheels black, as nowadays black is a new norm now. Everybody is opting for black wheels, so you can also paint it black. And these wheels are much better than the aftermarket wheels, which don't last long, because these wheels can withstand bruises very easily and they don't break. There may be some scratches, but they won't break. That is the advantage of genuine wheel caps. So these caps are also, I will offer for sale. I will also put them in the online portals also, and if anybody is interested may ping me in the comment section box and I will contact gradually. So I will also sell all these wheels, because these will be of no use to me further. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please do comment and in the comment section below, and please do subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video.